Hi fam. Sorry we are in some shitty ass bathroom lighting right now, but I'm here for a reason. I actually have somewhere that I have to be right now. Obviously I'm not gonna be wearing this. It's just my blah 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 whatever top I'm about to do my hair. I mean, this is gonna be a very realistic. Whenever I want my hair to look like it's done and I need it to look like it is done fast, I go in with a wand. Now I already put heat protectant in my hair. This is going to be the messiest. Like, I'm not even pre-sectioning my hair whatsoever. I'm just switching directions with my wand. I went over this in my last hair video. You can definitely check that out. Here we are going for natural messy. So yeah, that's done. I'm just gonna use my fingers to shake it out, you know, make it look as natural as possible. Alright, and yeah, I mean, these are some natural waves for you. I'm gonna take a little bit of the Orbe Feather Balm, literally just one pump, and just run that through. The Feather Balm just helps to like seal like any like flyaways or any like staticky ends. Helps to just seal it all together. And yeah, I mean, that is literally it. Now I do actually have to get going now. But yeah, that is how I do my hair when I am literally in a rush. I mean, that literally took less than 10 minutes, and you can just part it whichever way you want, and bam, you got some natural looking waves ready to go, but still polished, you know what I mean? And yeah, again, now I actually do have to go. Smash the like button if this is ever you getting ready in a freaking rush. I left it to the last minute, but that's very me. Okay guys, it's very real, you know? It's very real. And do not forget to smash the subscribe button to join the fam. And if you join the fam, that means that you are okay with this video. You approve of this hairstyle. It is passable for anyone to be able to be like, oh, she took her time with that. She has her shit all put together. Okay? So, which I honestly, that is, you know, sometimes the messier you do something, the better it turns out. Okay, but anyways though, gotta go. And I will see you guys in my next video. Comment down below if you found the area where I accidentally broke myself. Nice!